Hi to everyone, great to see you here on my channel. Let's make some money today. I want to show you, want to share with you all the information and all the knowledges that I have that I'm using in my trading experience. So let's make some money right now. What about binary options? What are binary options in general? So this is the platforms that allows you to make up to 95, up to 100%. Right now it's 95 and up to 90% profit, right, just in a couple clicks. Okay, this is investment tool that allows you to make money online. I'm using it because first of all, this is my hobby, and this is source of money for me, and I'm using it almost all the time. And according to my experience, I want to share it with you because I believe that anyone can try to trade, first of all, and to try to make money online. So let's see what's happening on the binary option platforms. There's two buttons, as you can saw just a couple seconds ago. This call and put. The green one is a call option, the red one is the put option. So using these two buttons, you need to make correct prediction. You need to predict the movement of the price. As you can see, I've pressed green button, the call option, and I was wrong, and this is absolutely fantastic. Why it is so, you can understand just in a couple seconds. I don't like to lose money. Absolutely, I don't like to lose money. Okay, there's purchase timeline. I will make my prediction as close as possible to this line. So there's a couple indicators. I'm using stock and MACD. What I've just did, I've spent $100 bucks. My usual amount is $100. I love this amount because I love to trade step by step. I don't like to be like all in, or in the situation where when I have like not a big amount of money and I cannot change anything. So I will explain what I did just in my previous bet. Before that one, in my previous bet, I made a wrong decision. I want to show you that wrong decisions are absolutely okay. In this case, I've made wrong decision, I've lost $100, and I've made my amount of bet 2.5 times bigger. So in that case, it depends on the profit percentage, but $237, you can see that I've made my next bet 2.5 times bigger, and I got my $100 back, and I got $137, just clear profit. When you will understand this, when you will when you're gonna eat this information, when you're gonna feel this information, feel this strategy, you will be profitable anyway, just anyway. Before you try to trade, just be my guest. Use all the useful links under this video. Click it, go via the registration, pass the registration. It's absolutely free, absolutely free. You passing the registration, getting your own account, and after that you can try to trade online. All you need to have is just a computer, laptop, or even a smartphone, so you can make it from any place in the world, first of all. And just think about it, it's 95% profit. 95% profit. There's no investment tool, there's no asset in the world except this one that allows you to make up to 100% profit just in couple minutes. If you know the real estate investment, for example, gives you the from 5 to up to 10% yearly, so you can make 10% using 1 year. And here on this platform, on binary option platforms in general, you can make 95 and up to 100% profit just in couple minutes, in couple clicks. This is absolutely fantastic opportunity, and I suggest you to try it. You can think, oh no, I don't have money, I don't want to risk, so I will not try it. Okay, this platform allows you to get your own experience before you will invest real money. There's a free practice account, and you can try to trade before you will invest the real money. You can try to trade on practice account, and after that, you will have your own experience. After you will feel comfortable and you will be absolutely confident in your actions on the binary option platform, you can try to trade like on the real money. So you're not risking anything. You just don't have risks, okay? And all you need to have is a little bit internet connection, laptop or smartphone, and a little bit time, just couple minutes, literally. All right, there's a lot of side moves today. There's a lot of side moves in this case, but I showed you how to act. I showed you what I'm doing in the cases when I'm making wrong predictions. You know, the situation, the movement of the price is, I don't know how to say, not unpredictable. This is absolutely predictable, and there's a lot of tools for that. For example, you can use this widget that shows all of opinions of all the people on the platform. Like I'm using stock and MACD indicators. They are useful and of course not always great, but it shows in general the movement of the price. When those two lines are under the all right, 3.5, for example, 3.5. There's a lot of side moves today, and it's quite difficult to predict the correct movement of the price. But anyway, as you can see, I made like couple mistakes. Oh great, nice. Made couple mistakes, and now if I'm gonna win the next bet, I'm gonna earn $3,325, and that means that it will cover up all my previous losses, all my previous bets. Anyway, to use this strategy, you need to have some amount, some power. Okay, you need to have some amount of money in your pocket, on your balance, on your account, to be able to make your bets bigger. For example, 2.5 times, or let's see, like that. Okay, 6. There's the side moves, and this situation is pretty interesting because it's like 6,000 on a table right now. 6,000 on a table. And let's see what's gonna happen. I believe that the price will go down anytime soon because there's a signs for it. As you can see, those two lines are under the resistance level. And about the side moves, this is issue about the side moves, of course. Here in this point, the price should go down, and it goes down, but right now you can see that it's a great situation. It's a great, ow, I was pretty close. All right, let's make, for example, I'm not able to make such movements. Okay, I don't give a shit. Let's make amount like that, and we'll see what's gonna happen. I believe that the price will go down, and I can afford such losses. So I wanted to show you how to act in these cases. Pretty interesting situation on the market right today, and the point is, in any case, in any situation on the market, you can get profit, but you need to have some amount of money. You need to have some amount of money on your balance, right? Okay, let's get back to my usual amount of money. It's 90% profit. So in any case, even if you're making mistakes, you can make money online. You can make money on binary option platforms. So I suggest you to pass the registration via the link under this video, and try to trade on practice account first of all, and then when you will feel confident, you can make your own investment, you can make your own decisions, and you can make your own money. This is pretty simple. I showed you how I'm doing it, and I wish you good luck. See you in the next videos. All the useful links under the video, kindly asking you to subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye.